Hi, my name is Phil from Festool HK, working with Axminster Tools and Machinery. So this is the HK55, and this one is plug-in compatible because we can work with 240 volt or for the construction area with 110 volt as well. And the HK55 is a pendulum covered saw, so the blade is always below the base of the machine. To adjust the depth of cut is really simple. The green comes up to the grey, and then we can set the depth of cut that we need. But the HK55 works with a 1.8mm curved blade, and with a permanent power supply from a really powerful motor, this machine can cut through a wide variety of materials according to the type of blade that is available from the Festool range. So with the HK55 we can work with the FS guide rail system, or we can work with the FSK rail system as well. And the HK55 attaches to the FSK rail. We can just bring this forward, and then of course we can make quick, easy, fast cuts with a variety of rail sizes from 250, 420 and 670mm. But first we'll work with the FS guide rail. So as the HK55 is available in 240 or 110 volt, and it fits the Festool system perfectly because with our plug-in lead system we can work with a variety of machines, and of course we only have a single hose and a single lead to work with. So along here with the FS guide rail system I can attach the saw just by pushing it onto the profile, and as soon as it goes onto the profile, pendulum cover comes back. But because we have a really powerful motor and a 1.8mm curved blade, we can cut through this material really simply and easily. So for repeat cuts, having this permanent power supply to the HK55 is a really cool way to work. So you can see the HK55 cuts through this without any problems whatsoever, and we get a really cool finish on here because of the speed of the motor at 5,200 RPM on the blade as well. So for straightforward cuts, the HK55 is a perfect machine for this type of application. But as I mentioned, we can also use the HK55 with the FSK guide rail system. So now we've created a straight edge along the board I'm working with, we can turn this around, and now we can cut across 90 degrees with the FSK. Just clamp this down to position, and now we can take the guide rail. We can attach the two together, and then we let go. And of course the advantage is obvious. Now everything is a complete unit, and it becomes part of my arm. It becomes part of the way in which I want to work. Permanent stop, adjustable stop, and with the FSK 420 rail we can go to 60 degrees. So we leave it set to 0 degrees. I can come onto the board I want to trim off. So now we've got a straight edge, we can then come across at 90 degrees. And again, using the machine with a permanent power supply, you can immediately see the advantage of working with this sort of permanently corded machine. So on here, if I undo the green stop underneath, we can bring this back to say 20 degrees. And now we can make an angle cut on the board as well, into that position. So working with the FSK guide rail system and the HK55 means we can make straight cuts along the board, we can cross cut with these, and also we can make angle cuts as well. To take the saw away from the guide rail, bring it forward, move the tab in, and this is how the HK55 can also be used for plunge cuts as well. So I hope this has helped your understanding of the HK55. Also available with service all inclusive and available from Axminster Tools and Machinery. Thank you very much.